Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In this tutorial, we will take you through the detailed process of creating a propeller in Solidworks in just 10 minutes. Propellers play a crucial role in numerous applications, ranging from aircraft and marine vessels to wind turbines and industrial machinery. They are designed to convert rotational energy into thrust, enabling movement in air or water. The principle behind a propeller's function is based on Bernoulli's principle and Newton's third law of motion, where the shape and pitch of the blades help generate lift and push air or water backward, creating forward motion. The efficiency of a propeller depends on several factors, including the number of blades, blade shape, pitch angle, and material composition. In this tutorial, we aim to design a simple yet effective propeller that is aerodynamically optimized and ready for applications like 3D printing, simulations, and engineering projects. To start the design process in SolidWorks, we begin with sketching the basic propeller blade profile on a reference plane. This is one of the most critical steps as it defines the overall shape and efficiency of the propeller. We use splines and control points to create a smooth and curved blade outline, ensuring that it mimics the aerodynamic shape required for thrust generation. Once the profile is completed, we proceed with the loft feature, which helps in forming the complex curvature of the blade. The loft tool is used to create a gradual transition between multiple cross-sections, allowing us to control the thickness and curvature effectively. After lofting the blade, we use the sweep feature to define the twist along the blade length. The twist is essential because it helps distribute airflow or water movement more efficiently, preventing turbulence and improving thrust generation. A propeller without a proper twist would face increased drag and reduced efficiency. Once the individual blade is designed, we move on to the filleting process, where we smoothen sharp edges and refine the model to give it a realistic and professional look. Fillets play a crucial role in reducing stress concentration and enhancing the durability of the propeller. After refining the blade, we utilize the circular pattern tool to create multiple identical blades around a central axis. Most propellers have 2, 3, or 4 blades, depending on their application, with 3-blade configurations being the most common in aviation and marine applications due to their balance between efficiency and structural integrity. Once the patterning is completed, we add a hub at the center, which serves as the attachment point to the motor or shaft. The hub is essential in transferring rotational force to the blades, ensuring proper functionality. The benefits of designing a propeller in SolidWorks are immense, particularly for engineers, students, and product designers. This tutorial provides a fast and effective approach to learning parametric modeling and utilizing advanced features such as lofting, sweeping, filleting, and patterning. Creating a propeller digitally allows for rapid prototyping and performance testing in simulations, making it easier to optimize the design before physical manufacturing. Engineers can test different parameters such as blade angles, material choices, and structural reinforcements using FEA, finite element analysis, and CFD, computational fluid dynamics, tools. Additionally, a SolidWorks modeled propeller can be exported for 3D printing, enabling users to create physical prototypes that can be tested in real-world applications. This is particularly useful for drone developers, hobbyists, and engineers working on experimental propulsion systems. While the propeller designed in this tutorial is functional, there are several ways it can be improved to enhance its performance. One major area of improvement is optimizing the blade pitch dynamically. In real-world applications, variable pitch propellers are used to adjust the blade angle based on operating conditions, leading to greater efficiency and fuel savings. Another improvement is material selection, where using lightweight composites or aerodynamically optimized alloys can significantly reduce energy consumption and increase durability. Additionally, incorporating CFD simulations during the design process can help fine-tune the shape for better thrust-to-drag ratio, ensuring that the propeller performs optimally under various conditions. Engineers can also explore biomimetic designs inspired by nature, such as mimicking the movement of fish fins or bird wings to develop more efficient and quieter propellers. By the end of this tutorial, you will have gained a solid understanding of how to design a propeller efficiently using SolidWorks, learning essential skills that can be applied to a wide range of engineering and design projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint Bazaar for more engineering design tutorials, CAD modeling techniques, and in-depth SolidWorks guides. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.